Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. Absolutely beautiful outside today. My goodness, 67 degrees right now. It is sunny. There's not a cloud in the darn sky. Looking good. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat, baby. What's going on, Dark Bro, the franchise, Dark Bro, John J, the franchise, John J. We got Kombu, Dark Bro, John J, Missing Link, Moji. Good morning to everybody right now. Glad to have you guys all in here. Let's check out the market and see what's happening in the stock market and crypto market today. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, $5.59. Not bad at all. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 911. Oh my goodness, call the police. 911, ladies and gentlemen, 911 points per coin on Shiba Inu. It is up 1.11% right there. We've got GameStop sitting at $20.90, up 3.26% on the day. Bitcoin sitting at $28,180, $174 right now, up 1.90% on the day as well. The Nasdaq doing very well, kind of curling back over off this level of resistance here. The Nasdaq sitting at 12,288 or touching resistance at 12,288 points. Sorry, sitting at 12,250 points right now after curling back over. Like we say, AMC 589, barcoding over the last 20 minutes there. Ethereum sitting at 1873, Shiba 911, Dogecoin 7.4 cents, Bitcoin 28,164, Mullen Auto trying to get some lower lows here. Mullen Auto sitting at $1.40, Sundial $1.81. John J, thank you very much for the super chat. Dilly to my boy Dark Brilly. I can't even do it without laughing. John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, man. And yes, congratulations to old Dilly Dark Brilly and John J. Really appreciate the King Turkey. Bright and early this morning, man. Beautiful way to start off the live stream. I'm telling you, it's a beautiful way right there. John J, dude, thank you very much. We've got catching back up right here. CEI sitting at $1.28 right now. It is down 0.39%. The SPY up just slightly. The SPY sitting 0.10% higher. It might be curling back over. We did have some good inflation news today. We're going to talk about that in a second. BBIG sitting at 17.7 cents. It is up 5.27% on the day today. Highcroft Mining 39.8 cents. Netflix is sitting at 332. QQQ sitting at 323. Ape sitting at $1.65, and MPW $8.44 right there. You know, I don't know. Did Frank play any covered calls, or no? He'd probably be doing. He didn't get it put to him. I wonder if Frank played any cash secured puts this week or not, man, because I'm telling you, at the 850 mark, MPW is loving that 850 mark. Let's just put it that way. It's loving it. So the premiums are probably pretty juicy right in there. But we're going to watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting up 2% on the day. Today we're going to keep our eyes on that one. Afternoon, broskies. What's going on, Tony D? How you doing, man? Pika Power. Good morning to you. Moji, what's happening? DD214. La Pika Pika. How do you do the other super chats so you don't pay YouTube gas fees? Nobody likes YouTube gas fees. Let me see. It is actually really easy to do, but you gotta have the link. The link should be in the description. But if you want to use this link here, so you don't pay YouTube gas fees, you've got that link right there. If you would like it. And I think all you do, man, is either you can use a card or you can log in with your PayPal and then send it directly through Streamlabs. So it is a good way around YouTube's gas fees if you want to do it. And, dude, you get the additional Pika sticker on 1, I believe 2, 222, 3, 333, 4, 444, maybe 5, 555. I don't know. Somewhere in those ranges. The like flat dollars, and then the ones with like the flat dollar and the alliteration afterwards. Given Grace Ministries, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Absolutely appreciate it. Giving by Grace Ministries. I don't know if you're in here right now or not, or if you're just subscribing on a video, but absolutely appreciate anybody clicking that subscribe button. Simon, how was your birthday? Ooh, Mr. Palomino. How was the birthday? What's going on, E. De Niro? How you doing? Let's see. Kaiki? DD214, brother? Yes, something good, I hope, maybe. Simon, we talked about launching a side of Flow Inu with this recent meme craze. But we need Mr. Simon on board with that one. Absolutely. Don't be getting Simon nervous. He just got here. Simon, don't be nervous, man. We know you just got here. Listen, emoji. No need to be nervous. Hello, all. What is going on, Kai? Glad to have you. Where, JB? In Discord? We were talking about it in here. I don't know if they were talking about it in the Discord or not. But, yes. Simoninho. Oh, Jay Dizzle. Look at that, man. Jay Dizzle over in the Twitch chat. Jay Dizzle, thank you for being on the Twitch. If you guys do not know, I also have a Twitch. Only 15 followers on Twitch, so I don't know what you guys are doing not following on the Twitch platform. But I would appreciate a follow over there as well. I mean, we are multi-streaming this month to see if it does anything. Doesn't really seem like it's doing anything, but it could turn into something. So appreciate you guys in advance for following. Frank, what's happening? Frank, we wanted to know, did you sell any cash secured puts on MPW at the 850 mark for this week? Let us know if you did. You don't have to actually let us know if you did or not, but hey, I have a question, okay? I got 4 slots for RAM, and this is a question for anybody that knows about computers. I don't really know too much about them. I got 4 slots for RAM. I got currently 2 16 gig cards in there. I can get another 16 gig card relatively cheap, but it's a different brand. All right. Now, from what I looked up, and a lot of guys that are out there on Reddit and everything, they do say that you can mix brands of RAM, but whatever your slowest stick is kind of what you're going to be limiting yourself to. I don't really know. It would be the other one. I honestly don't even know what these are. I don't know what the 2 I have in there are right now. But they're both like the DDR4s or whatever they are. They would all be 16 gigs. Does it make sense for me just to stick that 3rd stick of RAM in there? Or should I just leave it, the 32 gigs, and keep the 2 same brands that are in there right now that I bought when I, built this computer? So is the additional 16 gigs worth it, is what I'm asking. Somebody that knows a little bit about computers, because I do not know. I just, I Googled it, and then the guys on Reddit said, yeah, you can easily do it. Just make sure that, you're going to be reverting to your slowest RAM. Does it even matter? You think Tectonic can 50x? Hemilife. Yeah, we can look at Tectonic in a second here. Here's my problem with Tectonic, though. Tectonic has me nervous with the overall DeFi market right now really being hounded by the SEC and so on. If the DeFi market gets destroyed, Tectonic will likely get destroyed as well. Pika Power, thank you very much. We're going to pin Pika's chat right there. If you guys want to follow the Twitch page, please follow the Twitch page that Pika just sent out there. And we've got Mr. Palomino. Pour the salt shaker out. I don't know why this is Simon's favorite, but you pour the salt shaker out on the table and throw it over your shoulder. And because the salt tastes so good, gets in your eyes every time, Simon, man. Thank you very much for the salt shaker. Absolutely appreciate it. And we've got a little bit of love. A beautiful red rose for the little Pika. Simon, Pika, Simon. Thank you very much for the super chats, man. Absolutely appreciate those. And all of the love for Pika. Dude, Pika gets too much. Pika gets too much love, man. Somebody give her some tough love now. I don't know what we're doing being so nice on her like that. Come on. Cancer's starting to make crap personal with me. I hope not, Pudgy. I hope not. Is everything okay, Pudgy? I want to know, dude. Just get 4 32 gig sticks of RAM and put it in. Dude, Kai. Yeah, dude, if you're balling, right? But who the heck needs like 150 gigs of RAM? Nobody. I don't need that much. Do I need that much? I don't know if I need that much. Do I need that much? I'm going to listen to Kai. If Kai tells me I need that much, we might just go 432 giggers. Hey, note, when you can't RAM it, jam it. Always, always touch it. Memory the heck out of it. Let's go, John Jay. Excellent advice to live by, dude. If you can't RAM it, jam it, baby. Memory that I like it. John Jay, those are words to live by, dude. You might need some coffee to get through all of the convo, Simon. Yes, grab some coffee and you're going to be okay. Pudgy Cancer is a real a-hole. Don't let him near your family. Kombu, 100% agree with you on that one. I do hope that Pudgy is okay, though, and everything is good with Pudgy and his entire family. I haven't been very active in the car. In this car, it's all right. In this car, discard. Simoninho is using audio. Text to voice, that's what he's got going on, or voice to text, that's what he got going on right now. Luke states that the wormhole will close on May 31st. What action do people have to take if they hold tokens through the wormhole? Thank you. Matchbox. I'm going to be honest with you. I have not seen that it's going to be closing. I do not know the actions that you would have to take. My best guess, okay, would be just closing those assets out if you are using like a wrapped version of Terra Luna Classic. This is me and the first thought that comes to my mind, right? I don't know if there are additional avenues that you can go down. You know, selling whatever wrapped version of Terra Luna Classic you have, and unfortunately transferring, going through all the gas fees and all of that, and getting Terra Luna Classic on either the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, or sending your Terra Luna Classic over to a centralized exchange like Binance, if you got international Binance, or KuCoin, and then converting it there and owning Terra Luna Classic on an exchange like KuCoin. Now, obviously, full disclaimer, holding on a centralized exchange has its own risks, and you need to make sure that the exchange isn't going to go under and all that crap that happened with Voyager. So you need to look at all of the risks in the situation, but that would be my first thought on where to go with that. Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Green. What's going on, Sarah? How you doing today? I need to check this FAA coin out. Yeah, we do need a Federal Aviation Administration coin out there. That would be a pretty good one, dude. I think a lot of people would get on with the FAA right there. Oh, crap. Pudgy, sorry to hear about that, brother. What did Pudgy say? Darn it, Pudgy. Mom died from it. Dad is fighting it. Little brother been at it twice now and just lost a good family friend. My gosh. Dude, you know, listen, Pudge, I'm not using you as an example or anything, but, dude, you truly never know, man, what somebody's going through in their life, dude. You truly never know. So just use this as an example or an opportunity to understand. You never know what people are going through. So do your best to do one of two things. Maybe thumper the situation, and if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Ignore the negativity and walk away from it. Or truly treat everybody you come across with a smile on your face, dude, and tell them to enjoy the day, man, because you really never know. Pudgy, man, I am very sorry to hear that you have gone through so much, dude. We know you're a tough guy, but yeah, that's not something, man, anybody should have to go through all of that crap. So yeah, dude, Pudgy, we're sorry, man, that you got to go through all that, but yeah, guys, learn from that right there, man. You never know who's going through what. Some people really, really get drugged through the dirt sometimes. John J. Saradeste 50 deserves a. I almost did the Pika Pika, but he's got hey, Saradeste. John J. Oh, I don't know where John Jay comes up with this stuff, but loving the sauce on that macaroni right there. John Jay, man, appreciate you on that one. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the no igno. We got it for Pudgy. Pudgy, you got a little love. We will never ignore the... Pudgy, man. For you from Pika, thank you very much, Pika. Absolutely appreciate it. And guys, we do have a lot of love for our brother Pudgy out there. Pudgy, you're a bro, dude, and I know that, you know, I don't want it to seem insincere, right? We're on a live stream and all that. I don't want it to seem insincere, but I truly do hope the absolute best for every single one of you guys in here, man. And I know that some people get drugged through the mud, dude, and it feels like that sometimes, but you're an absolute bro. We love you, dude. And you will, and everybody you love will get through these tough times, dude. We got that big old love for Pudgy. We got that big old love for Pudgy. Ain't that right, Mr. Palomino? We got that love for Pudgy right there. Pudgy, it's all about you, dude. We've got you, bro. No cash secured puts. I started pre-approval for a new vehicle and using that money for a down payment. 2016 Subaru Crosstrek Premium. Hopefully, I have it by my birthday on Sunday. Frank, man, very, very nice. And you know what? Listen, I understand that you got to move money around sometimes, right? No problem at all getting a nice new car, because here's what that nice new car is going to bring you. Hopefully some peace of mind, hopefully some additional comfort, and that kind of stuff, man. You can't put a price on knowing that you're in a nice car. It's going to get you where you need to go. It's going to start when you need it to start, and you're going to be comfortably living. So, Frank, man, very nice. Buying that car right there. Hopefully, everything works out with it, and it's everything you want it to be. Magic carpet ride. Who's going on a magic carpet ride, Moji? I can show you the world. Take you Pudgy by Pudgy. Over, under, sideways on a magic carpet ride. I don't even know. God, dude. All right, we're going to. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful. We're starting over, right? As you can tell, after that one, I know you guys clicked the unsubscribe button. So let's just start over. Market's looking good this morning with the inflation data coming out. And very nice on that one. Thanks for what the heck yeah, Pudgy. It's right, Pudgy, homie. Oh, yes. I'm no stranger to death. Never shed a tear for anyone. I celebrate the life they lived, the forever cherished memories we made. Dang it, Pudgy. I like it. But, you know, what was that song? Big Girls Don't Cry. Big girls do cry, and big boys are allowed to cry. Here's the advice, man. If you get physically hurt, right? If you stub your toe, if you cut your finger, you jam your elbow, or crack your toe on a sofa, dude, don't cry. All right, just take the pain, bite your lip, whatever you gotta do. But I truly do believe that you can shed a tear for somebody if you. A personal loss like that is one of the only things that I think is like legit, right? That hits deep, and that hits on more than just a physical level. So you don't have to be so brave that you can't show a little love in missing somebody like that. Of course, do your own research. Yes. China After Their Lad musical. I've already got the part, JB. Didn't want to break it to everybody just yet, but I've got the part of Abu. I did not make it for Aladdin, unfortunately. They gave me the part of Abu. We're here for you, Pudgy. Reach out if you need to talk, for sure. We've got Pudgy. Tears aren't bad. It's okay to cry, even if you know they're in a better place. For sure on that one. Yeah, dude, but don't cry. Like, if you just stub your toe on the bed or something, don't cry about that. Come on, man. Let the kids cry about that one. Cry about a lost loved one, sure. You guys make me cry about a lost loved one. But, yeah, dude, if you jam your finger on something or slice your arm, hold the tears. Let's see. Can't do worse than Katie Price. Peter, which one was that Katie's Insight, or was that somebody else? I don't know who's Katie's Price is. Michael Allen! Pfft. Crypto, Pepe, Mong. He uses his full month chat for this one. It's a long one. Mong, Shib, charts, non-bros, feds, fuds, Ethereum, gas fees, shorts, bears, people flirting with peak except me, Clay's dancing skills. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael, thank you for 9 months of bro, man. Loving it right now. That was a long one, but I do like it. She destroyed it. Peter, who is Katie? What do we got on Katie, right? I don't know who Katie is. Thoughts on cremation token. I don't know who's behind Cremation Token, but here's my thoughts on any of these coins that make a name for themselves by burning other coins. They typically fade out in popularity very quick. So just be careful. If you're going to play them, a lot of people actually do make some decent money in the first week or so. But after the first week to the first month, they do begin to slow down in volume, which causes them to slow down in burns. The slowdown in burns causes them to slow down in volume, and it's a negative cycle. You want it to be a positive cycle, but unfortunately, it's a negative cycle. And if they could keep it a positive cycle, you'd make a lot more money on those little coins and little tokens. But that's my kind of thoughts on any of those coins that build themselves up around another token and burning another token. Wonder why they keep saying that they're closing the Loon Bridge. I hold a few alt-wrapped Luna, and I ain't unwrapping. I'm a hold till zero. Tony D, man. I actually don't know why. I don't know the answer to that one. Clay, what's the amount for the fist bump I made for you? Let me look. Pika, I think it's set at a 5. We can move it if you guys want to move it, but I think it's set at 5. I got to double check, though. No, I need to pull up the dashboard. Where's the dashboard here? All right, we're going to pull up the dashboard. Listen, Pika asks a question. We're going to figure out the answer. So you guys chill out for 2 seconds. We've got, yes, custom bad words. No, dude, where is this one? Variations. No ignore. Fist bump. Oh, 4. Fist bump's at 4. The fist bump's at 4. Hey, you want to test it? Let's see if it works. Oh, it doesn't have any sound, man. Hold on. We got to give it a sound. I don't know what happened to all of the default sounds. This has got to be good, right? No. That's too long. Come on. Ooh, I actually liked that one. All right. So that's the fist bump one. Hold on. She sent it right there before I saved the sound. I have to replay it, guys. I'm very sorry, but I have to replay it because she sent it right before I saved the sound. So. Yes! Pika Power! For the sticker list fund. We do need a sticker list, don't we? Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby. Pika, I love it. We need a sticker list for sure. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. I think there was a $6. Was there a $6? I don't even know if there was a $6. 3, 333, 2, 4, 444, 222, 1, 585, 9, 5, 4, 10. Those are the numbers. Gosh, dude, they couldn't be any more random than that. I need to get a sticker list on there for sure. Well, between the 1840 Casper Titanium is going to my fiance and moved by my Ranger the next year, and the Subaru will be a work vehicle for the side hustle, self-employment, and a tax write-off. Frank, dude, couldn't get any better than that. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. John Jay, you can't get a full song out of me. Come on, man. Dark Bro, can you add custom audio to those? Yes, Dark Bro. If I have a custom audio file, I can add a custom audio to it, or I can add one of the audios that Streamlabs already has. It can be custom audio if I do have custom audios on them. But you just got to be careful, you know, make sure that it is custom and not some sort of a song, because, dude, YouTube will get you if you play a stupid song for like 3 seconds and demonetize the whole darn video. Pepe, Dragon Ball Z uploads and more. I actually love Dragon Ball Z, so Dragon Ball Z uploads and more. If you've got Dragon Ball Z uploads, congratulations. I love Dragon Ball Z. Pepe, we can look at Pepe in a second here if you want to, man. We still have faith in Shiba. Hemi Life. Yeah, dude, I still got faith in the... Look, the Shiba Inu coin community is what I got faith in. I don't have faith in the developers or anything like that, but I do have faith in the Shiba Inu coin community. Dude, the numbers are ridiculous. How long people have been holding and how many people have been holding. So, yeah, I haven't lost faith in them yet. Seriously, JB, Clay getting fast with numbers. Is that good or bad, dude? Is that good or bad? I want to be good with numbers. I made an animated salt shaker sticker too. Simon needs some salt. Where is the salt? Lick and Stick, Clay Rose Peach, King Unicorn, Authorized Hydration, King Kitty, No Ignore, Dip and Shove, Super Bro, Mustache, Fist Bump. Well, did you send me a king? Did you send me a salt? I don't think I have salt on here. I got Clay Rose Peach, Lick and Stick, King Unicorn, Authorized Hydration, King Kitty, No Ignore, Dip and Shove, Super Bro, Mustache, Fist Bump, and La Pika Pika. Yeah, I gotta add one. If there was a salt shaker, I don't know if I saw it. I have to add that on there because that one is currently not on there. Let's see where Pika. Unless you're talking about where is actually Pika. The Pika one's at 10. Let's see. Check DM. Peepo, no ignore. I will never ignore. Pepe's down 50% right now. Pepe is down 50% from the all-time highs. Custom sound with a mustache. That actually might be a sound that they have right there. Let's see. Let's look at Pepe. We got to come out here to the DMs. Pick a DMs. Gosh, dude, I love that little Pika right there. Oh, yeah. No, there is a salt shaker right there. I'm going to download it. Bro Salt. Oh, you know what? No, I did download Bro Salt already. I downloaded it, but I never put it on Streamlabs, apparently. Apparently, I never put it on Streamlabs, but I did download it. Let's see here. Pepe. We got to look at Pepe real quick, guys. Coming out to Pepe. What do we got? Oh, what do you know? That's Pepe. Gosh, dude, how dangerous. How dangerous is it for me to click Chrome on Streamlabs without checking what's actually on Chrome first? Oh, my God, dude. I got to be better about that. Coming over here to Pepe, ladies and gentlemen. Pepe is sitting at 1903 right now. Our friend is right. It is down 50, almost 60% from the all-time highs that it hit on last Friday. The good news is we seem to be finding a lot of support in this area right here. This is actually one of the longest periods of time that Pepe has trended sideways. That is, you guys might not believe it, but it is good news, okay? Pepe has done very well to run up in price and never really finding a level of support because it was constantly moving higher. So that's amazing to create FOMO opportunities. It's amazing to create some excitement that something just constantly goes up in value. But the fact that we are like leveling out right now over the last couple of days on a coin as risky and as speculative as Pepe could mean that we have a bottom being set. And if that's the case, guys, that is going to be good news. I like to compare it to Shiba Inu coin, okay? If you look at the all-time graph of Shiba Inu coin, this is what I like here. Shiba ran, fell down even more than 50%, fell down almost 80% from running right there. And what did it do? It found itself a bottom, okay? And the fact that when people knew what it did before, and this was like 4 or 5 months, okay? Pepe might not run again. Pepe might not run again next week. But Shiba Inu coin, this is like the epitome of meme coins. It sat sideways for a couple months there. And then, boom, baby, took off and ran higher. Michael Allen! Clay, the DF Lunk. It seems promising. Maybe a video. Yeah, Michael, I probably, I actually did forget about that this morning and was looking at the new proposal that they got out there. So, yeah, dude, I definitely, maybe not a full video, but I might be able to work it into the next video if I look into it a little bit more. I do agree with you. It does seem like something that should at least be highlighted in one of the videos, right? So I'm on board with that. I'm on board with checking it out. Not Pepe. Peepo is different coin from Pepe, friend. You're slacking, Clay. I know. Pika, it is so tough. It is so tough. I'm not making excuses for myself, though. I'll admit the slack, and I'll pull it back. What are you looking at? You're so worried about. you just never know, man. I might have my social security number popped up on the screen. I might have, like, you know, my property taxes up there that I could, you know, show everybody where I live and all that nonsense. Who the heck knows what's going to be on Chrome that I would be worried about you guys seeing. You know, exclusive financial information, birth certificate, just something of that nature there. Any thoughts about Bone? Like, what are the thoughts of the price when Shibarium comes out? Crypto con Raul Valdez Reyes, man. I actually do not know. So here's my thoughts. Here's my thoughts and my guess about when Shibarium would be released. When the mainnet gets released, we could see the same or hopefully better price action than we saw on the testnet hype. So when the testnet came out, people were very excited, and they pushed the price of Bone above $2 a coin, just briefly above $2. And that was on the rumor, right? And this was a buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal. After Shibarium was released, or the testnet was released, Bone started to fall back from that $2 mark. There will be resistance at $2 on Bone. It's hit it before, it hit it during Shibarium hype, and it most likely will hit it again during the mainnet hype. Now, I do have to say this, okay? We could be in a different situation. If we're in a similar situation market-wise, I may expect that, you know, that $2 hit and you know, buy the rumor, sell the news type of a deal again. If we're in a bull market, dude, by the time, because nobody knows when Shibarium's going to be released. It could be next month. It could be next year. They could drag this out forever. If we're in a bull market, we could blow beyond that $2 mark, but I do still think we're going to have some hype. I think it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event again, but I would say less of a decline on the sell the news because you will actually have utility for Bone at that point. We also run the risk of having DeFi just straight banned here in the United States. And if that's the case, dude, I think it's going to be hard for Bone to reach $2. So it is dependent on the overall market, what's happening in the overall market, man. But I would expect similar action, buy the rumor, sell the news type of a deal, and similar levels of resistance to be tested. Or your search history. Nah, dude, the search history probably isn't that bad. I don't know what the search history would actually look like there. Triple O Crypto Meaning, Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu Coin, Boat, Marine Teak, Pepe, Amazon, I don't know, QR codes or whatever those are. It's not that bad. It's not that dangerous. The search history is not that dangerous. I just don't know if I got something pulled up. Dude, if I've got a... Dude, I don't want to have, you know, like Zillow pulled up or whatever, and then all of a sudden Zillow's on there, and you're like, oh, look at Clay's house. Let's go over and visit. That's the dangerous part, man. That's the dangerous part. Where are we going? Coming back down. Just asking, man. I don't blame you. Just with your knowledge. A shock. Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. Anyone watching SpongeBob, the coin, not the show. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Yeah, let's take a look at Sponge. Is it still going up? Because Sponge was doing pretty well. I think yesterday it was still up a little bit yesterday. This Sponge-looking character is down 30% today. $19 million market cap. But it's another one of these that is following Pepe. All right, it has done well. Friday was rolling along with Pepe, and it's been sitting stagnant ever since. The same that Pepe has been sitting stagnant ever since. So I think that the same way that Bitcoin kind of has a gravitational pull on the overall crypto market, I believe Pepe is having a gravitational pull on the overall meme market right now. Probably as is weak prom collection links on it. I might, dude. You should never know what's going on in there. Let's see. Exclusive Clay Bro OnlyFans. Dude, if I had an OnlyFans, you guys would be the first to know about it. You'd be the only subscribers over there. I can guarantee it. Just had 6 FBI agents sniffing around. Luckily, they were actually looking for the computer store around the way. Dang feds, man. Tell them to get the heck out of here. Outdoor Smile. If that happens, you should send a King Turkey when the feds are in town. And then we could scare them out of there. You got to send the King Turkey. Now we know that if Outdoor Smile comes in with a King Turkey, we know the feds are snooping around and we got to scare them away, guys. Have a good evening, Sarah. Sarah! Are you leaving? Sarah, thank you very much for hanging out with us. Absolutely appreciate it. Sarah does 50 Shades of Green, ladies and gentlemen. Sarah, enjoy your evening. Enjoy your night. It's only evening over there right now. Enjoy your evening, Sarah, and we will see you in the afternoon live stream. Is shining a euphemism for something? Like a shoe shine? I don't think so, dude. I don't think that shining is a euphemism for anything. If it is, I have no idea. Wait, we already visited your house. You need to cut your yard. The new mulch looks nice, though. Appreciate that. You know, I did mow the lawn over the weekend, and it's crazy, dude. I don't know if it's because it's springtime or if it's been a little wet, but I already got to mow again, and I only like mowing once a week. It's nuts, dude. But I did have some guys come in. They might still be out there right now. I don't even know. If you guys are watching, because I did give them bro shirts today. If you guys are watching, shout out to the guys out there in my backyard right now. Appreciate you watching the live stream. I did take them some bro shirts out there. They're trimming the trees up around the power lines. And I was hanging out outside this morning. You know, you just random people show up in your backyard. You're like, oh, all right, well, new friends. So if you guys are watching right now or listening right now, I'm thinking, God, the guy in that house is an idiot. I'm actually not an idiot. We're just having fun. But hopefully you guys like the shirts. And shout out to you guys. Appreciate you. Let's see. So, Claybro, what was the inflation report news? Claybro. Inflation came in this morning, guys, at 4.9%. Better than expectations. Better than the previous reading. It is good news. Let's take a look at it. We got to pull up today. Apply that because it's already off the screen. All right. We've got consumer price index coming in this morning at 4.9%. The previous reading was 5% inflation, and they were expecting no change. 5% inflation. It came in at 4.9% today, which means that inflation is continuing to move down, and this is one of the main things that the Federal Reserve is looking at right now to determine whether or not they should continue raising interest rates. Now, they'll admit, everybody should admit, that 4.9% is not 2%. So we still needed to go down quite a bit to reach that the Federal Reserve's target inflation rate of 2%. Nonetheless, this indicates that inflation is moving in the direction that they want it to move. It is not, it might be slowing down, but it is not stalling out. And this is excellent news because for a variety of reasons. One, because the inflation rate is nearing the target rate. But two, because they are now, hopefully, if they're not lying to themselves, less likely to raise interest rates in the future. That is a very good sign and inspiring to investors. So 4.9% was the inflation rate here in the United States this morning, and a very good one indeed, coming in at 4.9% there. FBI, here's the King Turkey. They'll break in thinking someone's being killed. No. FBI knows about the King Turkey. You look at the Homer Simpson coin. Tiffany, let's try to find Homer Simpson. Is it this one? Or is it this one? You're going to have to let me know which one it is, Tiffany. Homer, and the ticker is Simpson, or is it literally Homer Simpson and Homer Simpson? Let's take a look here. This Homer, all right, is down 75.59% today to a tiny little $279,000 market cap. The risk you run here is that this coin has run out of juice. It's been on for a couple days, had a nice little rally, and people may be walking away from it right now. That's what you got to worry about there. let's look at this homer. Also down on the day, down 36% on the day today, down to $328,000 market cap. It is down. Over the last 7 days, this coin has also been out for about 2 days now, and this one never even had a nice pump. This one only ever went down. So I'm gonna hope you're talking about the first one, because it did have a little bit of a gain here for a while on the meme rally. But yeah, as far as which one, for sure. With the top one, gotcha. The top one right there, down 75.59% on the day. Only a $279,000 market cap. The biggest risk is that it loses all the attention that it had. And if nobody's willing to put money into it, of course the price is not going to go up. Great, they're watching the stream instead of working. Yeah, dude, listen. They can watch the stream instead of work. That is completely fine with me, because I guess it's the utility company that pays to have all the trees trimmed around the power lines. Those dudes can hang out here all day if they want to hang out here all day, man. It doesn't bother me none. Yeah, I'm good with that. They can watch the stream, dude. They can watch every single video in my backyard if they want to watch every single video. I can order a pizza during the break. We can all just chill out in the backyard on the patio, man. Have some pizza and play with the chipmunks. FBI and 4 black Teslas literally whipping in bumper to bumper. Outdoor smile, man. Did you start running? I would have ran. I would have been like, nope, not today, feds. Not today. If those guys are watching, we need to throw Clay a banana. DD214. Let's throw the banana after they finish the work, because I do want the trees trimmed, man. I do want the trees trimmed. They're so full of it. There's no way that's trimmed. I'm sick of the government and the lies. Yeah, dude, I really don't think that's true either, that inflation keeps coming down. I know that prices are 5%, more than 5% higher than they were last year. Chip Bro better do his part to help out with the chores and the Clay Bro around the Clay Bro castle. Yes, he should, Pika. Nah, Chip Bro does do his part, man. Chip Bro is like a little watch chipmunk. Like, you've heard of a watchdog, right? Dude, Chip Bro makes sure that no animals that shouldn't be in the backyard go in the backyard. Chip Bro is extremely territorial. And, dude, I don't know if the dude will actually do anything, man. But he make this, like, little... That's like, you know, when they see danger, that's their little noise they make, dude, like little birds chirping. And he does that if there's like a, I don't know, hawk around, or a big crow around, or a cat around. And it makes a bunch of noise, warns all the other animals. But then if the other animals get too close to his seed bowl, or that little, I don't know, little patch where the trees are and the mulch is back there where I put the bird feeders, yeah, dude, he don't let those animals around. He runs them off pretty quick. The top one, got it. I just want Pepe to burn 1-0. Caesar. I do too, man, because if Pepe burns another 0, people are going to be very, very hyped up. That's going to be, I believe, roughly a $4 billion market cap. Basically, 5x gains from where we are right now. And a lot of the other meme coins are going to roll as well. So it is going to be a very positive thing if Pepe can burn another 0. Tonic. Let's look at Tonic. I did not look at that either. Hey, Clay. So there's this coin spin off of Pepe. It's called Papa. States if you feed it other meme coins, it absorbs their liquidity and rewards you with coins at a higher price. Is that what Papa says? Like this Papa right here? We've been looking at Papa a lot, man, but... is it this one? This one's down, dude. This one's down below a $700,000 market cap right now. This is the lowest it's been in a while. Kind of fallen on the Pepe drama as well. But is that the one you're talking about? Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the member chat. Dark Bro says, here's to 1 year of bro, not 3 months. Things we learned today. Pika is an amazing woman. The government still lies. And Clay Bro is awesome. Also... thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the King Turkey. Love it. Thank you very much for the kind words. Thank you very much for talking up Pika as well. And, of course, man, thank you for being a bro for a stinking year, man. I love it. Pepe to Robin Hood. You know what, Ted? I'm actually going to say no. Not with the current regulatory environment, man. I don't think that major exchanges are going to be listing any coins with the SEC breathing down their neck right now. I really don't see Robinhood. I don't see Robinhood listing any new coins right now, especially something as risky as Pepe. Yeah, Caesar, man, we've been looking at this one for a while now. Very shortly after Pepe started to run, Ryan Davis, a.k.a. Michael Corleone, he brought up Papa here, and we've been watching that one for the last couple of weeks when it had $1 million market cap. It basically 3x'd while we were watching it to, it's basically 4x'd. It's like a $3 to $4 million market cap, and now it's back down into this area right here where it was kind of trading at a couple weeks ago when we first saw it. So Papa, interesting, trying to be the meme coin daddy. I like it. And we get Siboniso, Mavuso, Siboniso, Mavuso. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I absolutely love the name. Difficult, but I like it. Siboniso. Oh, that's the noise. I thought it was more of a. It was a. Thank you very much for the mustache. Really appreciate you, Kombu. Kombu, man. Thank you very much for the mustache. Absolutely love it, dude. And that's the noise that I think JB was talking about, not the I think it was thank you, Kombu. Patrick, couldn't have said it better myself, bro, or Dark Bro. Myself, Dark. Brilly. Dilly to you. I already said Dark Brilly, so it didn't work. That is good, dude. That is good. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Only 9,967 to go. Loving it, Pat. Really, thank you very much. The authorized hydration was a definite need. I don't even know if I've been authorized to hydrate at all this morning. And, yes, Dark Bro, he did say it very well in that member chat. No worries, Kai. I only commit petty crimes, bro. Nothing that the feds would need to be after. I've been buying a bunch of these meme coins. Papa, Pooh, 4chan, Tate, and Troll. Caesar, man, I hope, and I like the fact that you're diversifying into that, right? Kikolokoi. Yeah, Kikolokoi. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I don't know if it came from a video or if it came from here, but I really appreciate it. I like the fact that you are diversifying in these meme coins, dude, because I do believe if Pepe takes off, we're going to see another rebound, a very nice rebound in these other meme coins as well. So, I like the fact that you're taking a diverse approach to it, man. Hey, bro, where's Paul Swap? Been a while since we looked. I have not looked at Paul Swap since all the Pepe hype took place. Paul Swap, ladies and gentlemen. What are we doing here? Down 5% on the day. And it is down, 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 going down, down, in an earlier round. Man, Paul Swap at the lowest levels that it has been at since initially running up. It is not down to the levels where you would have like 50x'd from. But I'm telling you, man, it is approaching a very strong level of support here. And then it doesn't have much further to go before it's at rock bottom. So very interesting to see. It's currently only sitting on a $16 million market cap. I remember it was at like a $70 million market cap. So Paul Swap is definitely getting cheaper as the days go on. Can't zoom out, darn it. Paul Swap is getting cheaper. I don't know why I can't zoom out. Paul Swap is getting cheaper as the days go on here. And maybe setting up support in this area. But if it falls through, you know, we might be losing. You might be gaining another 0, actually. And then dropping down pretty hard if it comes back down to those all-time lows there. So, dude, I actually forgot about Paul Swap with all of the Pepe hype going on, man. Elmo, check it out. Kikalukoi, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate you. And yeah, we looked at Elmo yesterday, right? Was it yesterday when Elmo was in here? Oh, Elomo. Elmo. I think it's this one. Elmo ERC. Is this the one you guys wanted to see? Man, it's actually doing pretty well today. Up 18%, 24% to 1.8 cents. Almost a $10 million market cap. Very low supply, actually. 454 million. Not necessarily similar to the other meme coins that are out there. Has been doing very well since it was launched, what, 5-6 days ago now. So, very nice. Decently steady growth with a little bit of volatility there. If you take out those little upswings, the growth has been very steady. So, Elmo looking good at the moment. Not exactly sure what they do beyond the price action there, but Kikalukoi Elmo is still making gains in this meme coin market. Question, what slippage is good? Red 12 is a good number. So Caesar, man, here's my honest opinion. I don't know what slippage is good. So as far as I understand, okay, as far as I understand, your slippage is how much you will allow the price to change and still want your order to go through. So you can Google, the best slippage or recommended slippage. And if you are just buying Ethereum, they recommend your slippage is something very low, like 0.1% or something. And that basically is because, well, Ethereum's not ticking that far. Ethereum's not moving very much. If you use something like 12%, what you're saying is you are going to allow that coin to jump up 12% before your transaction goes through, and you will still allow it to go through. So, if you're buying a meme coin, man, and it's jumping around and ticking literally 10% with every move, yeah, 12% is probably going to be something that would be necessary to use. Now, of course, you're going to get, 12% less coins or whatever, because if it does jump up, your transaction will still go through. But if you use a very low slippage, you're almost guaranteed on these meme coins not to have your transaction fill, because they're so volatile that you're likely to see 5, 6, 10, 20% pips, 20% moves in these coins, 20% ticks. So, you're going to need to increase your slippage almost drastically like that to see them go through. Because the last thing you would want to see, dude, is you're out there, you're trying to do a $100 transaction. Gas fees are going to cost you $20 to $30. You've got a obscenely low slippage, and your transaction fails because your slippage is at 0.1%. And of course, these meme coins are moving more than 0.1%. And your transaction fails, and you get ripped the 30% gas fee that you could have avoided. So it is. I don't even know, man. I can't even honestly say that 100% slippage would be good, but if you're using lower values, and $100 isn't that low, right? But if you're buying in like $100 to $200 worth of the coin, and you know that the gas fee is going to be roughly $20 to $30, dude, I would not want a low slippage. And I've done it before, right? I've had a low slippage on there and had a transaction fail. And it's like, dang, dude, I would rather see the price of the coin go 20% the wrong way and still get filled, because either way, I'm paying this gas fee. So, yeah, I don't know, man. You do want a higher slippage like that, but I don't know the best number, I guess is what I'm saying. Richie's playing talk. Had a great coin just 2 days ago. I should have took his advice. And check out Bambi. Let's look at Bambi real quick. Slippage is price allowance differential and amount received of a coin. The higher the slippage, the more price can fluctuate before the order is filled. Yeah, dark bro. So you kind of do want the higher you want higher slippage on these meme coins because they just move, man. They're crazy. No. Is it this one? Ooh! Bambi, ladies and gentlemen, sitting up 141% today. A $22 million market cap. This is looking crazy. Bambi doing $38 million in volume. It is up nicely over the last 2 days here. Steady growth. And hey, here's the thing. It's pulling back right now, but let me just show you. It's pulling back to its trend line. And boom, could spike back up to 3. Boom, could spike back up to 3. Boom. If the same trend is taking place, guys, you know, you got to follow the pattern. You got to follow the pattern. And boom, this could spike back up to 3 and you just made 50%. Or it could continue the trend and end up going even higher. Right? I know nothing about this coin. It's probably just another meme coin. But it does look very good at the moment with a nice uptrend. Here's the thing. Coins always and stocks always have a better chance of following their current trend than changing trajectory. So if you just so happen to get in at the worst time and you got in at the pivot point, think about how unlikely that was. You know, if you would have got in here, well, you would have made money. If you got in here, you would have made money. You would have got in here, you would have made money. You could get in here, you're most likely going to make money. What are the chances that you get in at the time that it peaks out of the all-time high? It's much easier to follow the trend than it is to pick the pivot point. Outdoor Smile! Thank you very much for the super chat. Hey! I stopped super chat because I send a birthday gift. Outdoor Smile. Do I need to go to the post office right now? Or, is it coming for the birthday? What's the deal? Stop in super chat because you're going to send a birthday gift because you did send a birthday gift. Let me know. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. You say you're sending a birthday gift like you're going to, or just be clear because I don't want to not go to the post office since they don't they don't give me notifications when I have anything in the PO box. But is it going to the PO box? You're waiting until the birthday here. You gotta let me know, dude, because now I'm excited. Let me know, Outdoor Smile. What are you doing? Question: how can people be so hyped about Pepe at the first drop? Everyone starts calling it worthless. DD214. Let me answer that question very simply, dude. And I don't know the best way to word this, but people are hypersensitive, or people are very flaky, or people lack commitment. You guys know this. You can see it. There's no difference in the crypto world than the real world and everything. People are just not committed to long-term gains. They're not committed to each other. They're not committed to growth. They're not committed to anything except immediate satisfaction. And they're very emotional, right? When things are going good, it's almost like bipolar disorder. When things are going good, they are going great. When times begin to get a little bit tough, this guy is falling, man. It's like manic depressive, dude. It's manic depressive. And, I don't know if that is, I do know it's bad, okay? It's not good to live that kind of extreme on both ends. You need to be a little bit more committed. You need to be a little bit more kind of grounded, especially if you want to be successful, right? But nonetheless, I do think that is exactly why people can be so hyped. It's going to the moon, $100,000, $500,000 floor on AMC, and then all of a sudden, gone. The minute things turn hard, or the minute things get difficult, people give up so fast, man. It's because these kids don't understand how this stuff works. They think coins will only go up forever. Holy crap, did not know that. Glad I haven't run into that yet. I'll have to pay more attention. I'm such a noob. Kai, you talking about the slippage, or you talking about something else, man? But, for real, warning out there that to nobody that's traded on any of these meme coins or whatever, if you're taking a $50 risk and paying a $20 gas fee, or if you're taking a $100 risk on these coins and paying a $20 gas fee, dude, up the slippage, man. You can get just eaten alive on the fees with a low slippage like that. It does not make it worth it to fail even one transaction. So take the price hit before you just take a slippage hit. If it's that low, if you're going out there and you're buying $10,000 worth of a coin or something, okay, I get it. You don't want a 20% price move because you don't want to be down $2,000 immediately. You take the $20 hit instead of taking a $2,000 hit. But if you're going to be going out there and you're going to lose $20 to gas, or you're going to lose $20 to a 20% price move, don't take the $20 fee. Fees will eat you alive in the slippage world, in gas world. First I receive, then I send, then be a while. Outdoor Smile, listen, no worries, okay? I just don't want to have it sitting down at the post office and you be like, oh my God, why hasn't Claybro said anything? Please let me know if there's anything like that, all right? Because I don't want to be the guy that, keeps you waiting when I honestly just haven't gone to the post office. Pika Power! I love it for Dark's first year anniversary. We've got a bro bat, and because it came directly through Streamlabs, a little bit of a thank you very much. Pika for the super chat, and we've got a I am Brobat. I am Brobat. Thank you very much, Pika. For Dark Bros, 1 year anniversary, being a bat. Ooh, I kind of just bent that crown a little bit. Pika, that must be solid 24 karat gold because it's a little soft. I gotta watch out on that one. When Clay Day? When is Clay Day, man? 2 weeks from now? I think it's 2 weeks from now. Let's see here. People are creatures of emotion, lack patience, love drama. No one watches the news looking for good news. Caesar, I hope they did. Don't you just think the world would be a better place if people celebrated the good instead of promoting the negative? My goodness. Oh, so I'm excited to see it. Something bad. My birthday gift is the biggest birthday gift. I don't know. Oh, that was nice, Clay, bro. Well, thank you very much, Dark, bro. It's really nothing much. Outdoors. Let me tell you this, guys. Literally I think you guys don't even know, right? I think that this is absolutely awesome. I think this is one of the coolest things ever, man. It's everything. Obviously, this is pretty sweet right here. Obviously, that's not too shabby right there. But no, you guys have no idea, man. And is Simon still in here? Where is... Dude, where's my clay, bro? Oh, here it is. It's clear, man. It's nearly impossible to see because it's clear. Dude, look at this, man. Simon probably thinks I forgot about this. Dude, I didn't forget about this, man. Clay, bro, dude. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Yeah, man, Simon probably thinks I forgot about it. I didn't forget about anything. And look, I don't have it turned on, right? Danelle probably thinks I forgot all about this lava lamp. Absolutely not, man. You guys have no idea. Is this plugged in? No, this ain't plugged in. Dude, the Clay Bro King of the... it actually might be plugged in down there. That's not coming. The Clay Bro King of the chat right here. Gotta put it back in its thing. Nah, dude, you guys think I forget about stuff. I don't forget about anything, man. Absolutely love it all. Hey, bro, Subaru in the Discord. Birthday present to myself. Let's check out this Subaru in the Discord real quick. What's he got going on here? Supporters chat. Yes. No, I gotta jump the present, man. Gotta go down to the bottom. Ooh! Frank, do you still have snow on the ground? You don't still have snow on the ground, dude. That's an old picture, right? Frank, if you still got snow on the ground, you need to move, dude. I hope that's an old picture. You got me all nervous now. Let's see. Fake gold for fake unicorn. Kai, I'll take it, man. I have it on my calendar. Clay Day is 5/26. Yes, man. May 26th is Clay Day. And then I don't know. I do want to warn you guys, since it is May, we got like 2 weeks left. STEM Day at my sister's school. I've volunteered there for like the last 3 or 4 years or whatever on STEM Day. That is going to be May 30th. Okay, so there may be no live stream in the morning on May 30th. I imagine the afternoon will be fine, but May 30th, I'm volunteering on STEM Day again and having some fun with those kids out there. And that's going to be May 30th. Wow! Something that's not printed backwards. Kai, guess what, dude? Because it's clear, I was able to hold it backwards, all right? But that's only because it's clear, man. It actually does look like that. So I was very, very sorry that I was confusing you on that one. But because it's clear, I was able to hold it backwards, man. Old pictures. Oh, thank goodness, dude. You had me really nervous that it was snowing out there. Hey, wish Dark Bro a happy birthday for me. Don't forget to hydrate. It's not Dark Bro's birthday, is it? Oh, I missed this one. It's the 1 year anniversary. It's his 1 year anniversary of being a bro. I don't think it's Dark Bro's birthday. But this is this one that I missed. Oh, no, that's John Jay's. I just clicked on Pat's. John Jay! We got a what? Everything happens in 3. Oh, thank you very much. What? Oh, in the eye. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much for all of... Dude, John Jay, man, you're testing your luck on that one. You're testing your luck for sure. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. And for La Pika Pika. Yeah, John Jay testing his luck, but he's lucky I'm in a good mood at the end of the stream here. And Patrick says, happy birthday to Dark Bro's birthday. I missed it. It's his anniversary, not his birthday. But I'll take the authorized hydration anyway. Pat, man, thank you very much for the super chat. It is 1 o'clock right now, guys. We are way over June 26th. I like it. I think we're going to have to get... I don't know, man. We might have to get Dark Bro another shirt or something on his birthday there. Close enough. Yes, it is. Bro's anniversary. Yes, guys. We're taking off. It lies with the 3 months. They do, man. We are leaving right now. We will be back this afternoon. If these guys are sitting out there in my backyard still listening, if they're still here, dude, I'm going to have to buy them a pizza or something. Even if they deny me, I'll take it and I'll set it out there. I'll set the food for the birds and the chipmunks out there. I'll set a couple pizzas out there for those guys and see if they are hungry or not, man. Shout out to Pat. Shout out to Kombu, Dark Bro, Tashi, Pika Power, Dark Bro, Aiden, Pika, the franchise. Peace out, man. Frank, see you later. Pudgy saying peace out of the Diamond Handed Apes, baby. Pika Power, see you later. Caesar, enjoy it. John J, Old Rounder, Pat, man. Peace out to you. Mr. Brian, Pudgy says peace out of the Diamond Hand King Turkeys, baby. Outdoor Smile, enjoy it. Nick F, my car's full of auction stuff. Nick F, you should have waited for me to go down there, man. I would have had too much fun with you. Kombu, 1 o'clock. It is John J. Boom, baby. And Crypto Rocketeer, man, I saw you in here earlier. If you're still in here, appreciate you being in here, dude. Watching, loving it. John J, DD214, Bob, Kai, Toodles to you, man. Mike, see you later. Pudgy, Peter, buy a pizza. Yeah, buy a pizza with Terra Luna Classic. I could, man. Peter, see you later. Outdoor Smile, J-Bones, John J, Kombu, Pika Power, J-Bones, John J, Pika Power, John J, Pika Power, Caesar. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.